Bonjour tout le monde! Today we are going to draw a beautiful dragon tree slash cherry blossom tree with some beautiful flowers all over it. And we are going to draw some beautiful flowers at the very bottom. I guess you can call them tulips. And where do tulips come from? That's right. But I bet you're asking, what are our materials? Well, we use a canvas because we are artists, or a white sheet of paper, whatever you would like. Some paint. We definitely need some black paint or some brown paint for our tree and its branches. Some brushes. We also need some Q-tips. We are going to use some pink paint today because we are going to draw blossoms. Beautiful cherry blossoms. And that's basically it. Are you ready, my little artists? Artists, are you ready? Let's get this started. Don't you just love how my accent switches from French to Italian to God knows what else? Let's get started. Step 1. Grab your canvas or your white sheet of paper and let's begin drawing the trunk of our tree. We want to draw it right in the center. You know what? Forget that. Let's get a little creative and draw it this way so we can have this beautiful tree. For a few years now, I've been wanting to buy a big canvas and paint. I'm not an artist, but I feel that abstract painting is probably the easiest for a beginner like myself. Be sure to space them apart because we will be using this tool to create the actual flower. Are you ready for this? Check this out. Now, we are going to go back to our beautiful dragon tree slash cherry blossom tree. For this, you will be needing your Q-tips. Step Number 1, grab your yellow paint or any paint, grab your Q-tip and begin dabbing. Don't place them too close together because we will need space for the petals. Just go around your little yellow dot. Are we done? Nope, not quite. Grab your fork. Now place your fork over one of the stems in any direction you'd like. Press it up against your canvas or your white sheet of paper. Wow, look at that. Awesome opossum. And another one here. Look at this one. Wow, that's perfect. We have a beautiful dragon tree from Madagascar slash cherry blossom tree. But are we done yet? Absolutely not, because it's a beautiful oasis without grass. You will definitely need some green paint for this. Now, it isn't a work of art unless you autograph it. You might become a super famous artist when you grow up. And this piece of work will be valuable and even priceless. So let's go ahead and grab some black paint because we are going to do our signature. You will need a very thin brush for this. What did you guys think about today's activity? Did you love it? Did you love it? Yay! So did I. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.